Imagine two people learning the exact same skill. One studies for 100 hours and still forgets most of it. The other spends only 30 hours, but remembers almost everything and can actually use it. The difference isn't intelligence, it's not talent, it's how their brain is being trained. The human brain doesn't reward time spent learning, it rewards the way you learn. Today, I'll show you 7 science-backed strategies that can dramatically speed up learning. Whether you're studying for exams, learning a language, coding, playing an instrument, or building a career. Let's start with the biggest mistake almost everyone makes. Most people think learning means watching another video, reading another chapter, highlighting another page. It feels productive, but your brain isn't a storage drive. It's more like a muscle. Watching someone lift weights doesn't make you stronger. Likewise, simply consuming information doesn't make you smarter. Researchers call this the illusion of competence. When information feels familiar, we mistakenly believe we've learned it. But recognition isn't memory, and memory isn't understanding. If you really want to learn faster, stop asking, "Did I read this?" Instead ask, "Can I explain this without looking?" That one question changes everything. Here's one of the most powerful learning techniques ever studied. It's called retrieval practice. Instead of reviewing your notes 5 times, close the notebook. Then try to write down everything you remember. Your brain struggles. It feels harder. That's exactly why it works. Every time you retrieve information from memory, the neural connections become stronger. Think of memory like walking through a forest. The first path is difficult. Walk it again and again. Eventually, it becomes a clear road. Learning isn't putting information into your brain. It's repeatedly finding your way back to it. Your working memory has limits. Try to learn 50 ideas at once. Everything becomes blurry. Instead, break information into meaningful chunks. For example, instead of memorizing 20 random programming commands, learn 4 related concepts. Practice them, then move on. Professional chess players don't remember thousands of individual pieces. They recognize patterns. Musicians don't memorize isolated notes. They recognize musical phrases. Experts aren't remembering more. They're organizing information better. Here's a challenge. After learning something new, pretend you have to teach it to a 12-year-old. No technical words, no complicated explanations, only simple language. The moment you struggle to explain something, you found exactly what you don't understand yet. Teaching forces your brain to organize information instead of simply collecting it. That's why teachers often master subjects more deeply than students. Don't wait until you're an expert to teach. Teach because you want to become one. Most people practice one topic until they're comfortable. It feels efficient, but research suggests mixing related skills, called interleaving, often leads to stronger long-term learning. Imagine learning math. Instead of solving 20 identical problems, mix algebra, geometry, and probability. Your brain has to identify which method fits each problem. That extra mental effort improves your ability to solve unfamiliar questions later. Easy practice builds confidence. Challenging practice builds skill. Here's something surprising. Learning doesn't stop when you close the book. It continues while you sleep. During sleep, your brain reorganizes and strengthens many of the memories formed during the day. That's why studying until 3 a.m. often produces worse results than studying less and sleeping well. If you've ever solved a problem the next morning that seemed impossible the night before, you've experienced this effect firsthand. Don't think of sleep as time away from learning. Think of it as your brain's overnight editing session. People love saying, "I studied for 6 hours," But hours don't measure learning. Attention does. 25 minutes of deep, uninterrupted focus can outperform 2 distracted hours. Put your phone away. Close unnecessary tabs. Work on one task. Then take a short break. Your brain isn't designed for constant switching. Every distraction has a hidden cost. Protecting your attention is one of the fastest ways to improve your learning. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this formula. Learn, retrieve, teach, sleep, repeat. Don't just consume information. Challenge yourself to recall it. Explain it simply. Get enough rest. Repeat the cycle consistently. Learning faster isn't about finding a secret shortcut. It's about working with your brain instead of against it. The people who seem to learn everything quickly usually aren't born different. They've simply built better learning habits. And here's the good news. You can start using these strategies today. Not next week, not next month, today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on learning, productivity, and the science of improving your mind. And before you click away, ask yourself one question. What's one skill you've been putting off because you thought it would take too long to learn? You might be much closer than you think.